You're gonna get tased! Stop! You're gonna get tased!
On June 28, 2024, in Clearwater, Florida, a routine prisoner transfer turned into a chaotic escape attempt and drug bust involving 26-year-old Brianna Perez. Perez, already under arrest on narcotics warrants, slipped out of her handcuffs and fled while being loaded into a transport van, only to be recaptured after throwing a trash can at Officer Kyle Bingham and being tasered in a front yard.
How are you? My name's Officer Bingham.
Hi.
The reason I'm stopping is whenever you come out on the Sunset Point there, you didn't come to a complete stop at that stop sign pulled out right in front of me. You got a driver's license on you?
Yes, sir.
All right. You Ubering or what?
Yes, sir.
You are? Got a fever? All right.
I didn't come to a complete stop. I swear I did.
All right. You got your registration and insurance?
Yeah. Let me look in my glove box. My insurance is on my phone.
Okay. All right. Well, you mind coming out? No, come on out here and talk to me for 1 second, okay? If you don't mind.
Do you want me to grab my registration?
No, it's all right. Just come out here and talk to me for 1 second. I'm just gonna have her unlock the door. I'm just gonna have her unlock the door. Oh, will you unlock the door for me?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, pass the phone out.
You didn't. You definitely.
There's stuff here.
What's going on?
You have 2 warrants out for your arrest, Brianna.
Okay, you came up. Go ahead and open it up. Female in your back seat's wanted, so.
Hey, phone out.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
25, you didn't advise. We got 110-15 adult female. Yeah, we'll let you make a phone call. You don't got anything hidden, right? No. I just don't want you to hide anything in my back seat, okay?
In your pockets right here. You don't have pockets or anything, right?
You double lock them?
Huh?
You double lock them?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll let you make a phone call. Just give us a second, all right? I still got to confirm the warrant real quick.
Hey, do we want to
Confirm the warrant.
let's confirm the warrant.
You got her ID or not?
No, I'm sure it's in her bag, but I mean it's definitely her.
You want to meet us like at the Publix or something and for a female search too?
Yeah, you guys are at the Publix. I just can't pull away just yet. He's out on the sidewalk here still.
No, yeah, we will be though in a second. But.
No, that's why I got gloves on.
I can tell bags all over the place.
There's bags everywhere.
Bag right here.
Oh, nice.
And she's got about
He's from
3.
blowing her up.
3, 4. Female right there.
She's not getting out anytime soon.
And looks like a pill. Whatever that is.
I get it. That's an Oxy 30.
Hello.
Hello there.
How are ya?
Doing well. A little busy tonight there.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm the only van working squad 7 and 8.
Oh, jeez.
We
Okay.
just stand right there. I'm going to put this belt on you, and that will also transfer custody back. Yeah, so
Okay. Well, hopefully we won't take
we'll
too
get
much of
there
your time.
when I can.
Last night was much more busier than for us, at least.
You guys gave me 5 right off the bat. The first hour and a half.
Yeah, they were doing traffic on the west side. A lot of it was DUIs.
Right? You can lower your arms. Okay. Face the door so I can take advantage of her flashlight there.
Gotta make it quick though, okay?
Hello?
Hey, Ma. I was on my way to work, but I was in an Uber. I got arrested for a warrant.
You got arrested for a warrant?
Yeah, in an Uber.
In an Uber? They must have watched you get out of wherever you were going.
Probably, I don't know.
So you're in jail?
Yeah, I'm gonna be transferred on my way.
Where are you at?
I'm at Publix by my house.
Are you sitting in a parking lot or something?
Yeah,
Yeah, they watched you leave and then you arrested you.
yeah.
Do you have bail or anything?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure I don't have bond because I didn't have bond last time.
Or was this the same stuff?
Yeah.
I thought you went and cleaned that up.
No, I got a warrant for it. I told you that.
Alright, write my number down. I'll put money on the phone.
Alright.
I love you.
You want to turn your phone off so you save the battery?
Can I call him back?
Nope, because he's gonna. You live close by, and I'm assuming you live
No, I
close
just
by
wanna
because he
tell my
said
son, like, good night. Love you.
you can do it at the. You can get the jail.
He's not gonna do that.
I know.
It'll take-
You'll be there for. No, we're heading out now. We're at this point where we're done. He's got things he's got to do too. You can call him when you get there though. You won't be in here long.
Oh, hey.
Kyle.
I got it. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Stop. You're gonna get tased. Taser.
You fucking idiot. What is wrong with you?
Okay.
Now you just got another charge. You are stupid.
We got her. That's 15. Put your hands behind your back. Stay by the number. You just caught yourself another felony.
She was just about to walk in the van and she
You got
turned around. Unbelievable.
528. We're good. Go forward.
Why? I don't understand why. Why?
I don't know why. You tell me why. Stand.
Why?
Stand up. 1, 2, 3.
Why?
We didn't put our cuffs on. Tamping up either.
Was she slippery? Just go straight out
Yeah,
here.
as she started running, she got right out. She was just a bunch of stuff in the van.
You're fine. Just keep walking.
So
Walk.
at this point,
My taser started messing up.
oh really? Oh yeah. She's done. She's waiting for her husband to come. He shows up. It's not gonna be good for her.
He shows up, he's going to bail too.
Obstruction.
Yeah, drink a quiet. Why? Don't even start the questioning. Ridiculous.
Brianna Perez was adjudicated guilty of felony escape, possession of cocaine, possession of oxycodone, and resisting an officer with violence.